welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing blue party makeup look. So let's begin.
First I am going to start with primer. Then I am going to apply a moisturizer all over my face. I am applying concealer on my forehead and brow line area. Now I am doing my eyebrow. I am brushing my brows. Then I am taking a brow pencil and draw a outline. I am applying brown shade for filling my brows. Now I am going to clean this area using my flat brush. Next I am doing my eye makeup. I am applying warm brown eyeshadow on my eyelid. Then I am taking a blue shade and blend it very well. And cleaning this excess color. Then I am using eyelash curler for curling my lashes. I am applying false lashes. You can also use these. Then I am applying eyeliner. Take little dark shade and applying it on my lower lash line area. Then I am using concealer on my under eye area and under the brow line area. And blend it well. Then I am applying mascara. I am using orange shade concealer for covering my dark circles. Now I am going to use foundation and blend it with my blending brush. Taking bronzer on my brush, apply it on my cheekbones, nose and my forehead and blend it. Now I am applying some face powder. First set all this. Now I am applying blush on my cheeks. Finally complete my makeup look. I am using liquid matte lip color.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys like this. Please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel.